It's a nice day out, Saturday. The wife's home from work, so we're gonna take the firebird out. It's gonna be some fun on a nice day like today. Got the Duramax chilling. Yeah, let's fire this thing up for you guys. Let's see here. Smells good. Alright guys. Quick cold start. Back this old girl in. Take the transmaro out for a rip. And the wife. Stoked. Been waiting for this day for about 4 months. For now. Alright guys, we officially made it to Shediac. So this is where my wife's from. This is her brother's school. So when she comes up this way, she brings the dogs. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill out. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm gonna have me some Red Bull. Got my other GoPro just kicking it. So you guys will see that footage. Nice to see it out though. How you doing, Turbo? Hey, it's crazy they got everything tarped off, eh? Looks like a murder scene over there. They got all the caution tape around all the equipment. So. But yeah, let's cool this whole thing off here. So this is a 2000 Firebird WS6 LS1 with the T56. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my street car, my daily. I miss driving the all-wheel drive hatch when it was front-wheel drive, but that thing's a whole new different monster, whole different level now. So but this is just fun. Get it, Turbo. Get her. Get it, Turbo. What a crazy dog. Get her, Turbo. Get her, get her. Taking the shortcut. She's way too fast, eh, buddy? You guys are crazy. It's really nice out there. Zoom on you. Zoom. Well, we just got back from an awesome day out with the family. Took the dogs for a run. Went and seen the wife's mom. Got some stuff from her there. So some cups and stuff that she's moving. So gave them away. And so I had to pop the trunk so I could haul all the glass and stuff. That's why we didn't do any pulls on the way home, you know. But yeah, I found this old buffer kit for headlights, coolant, protecting wipes. You got to keep her clean. Some tire wet, right? A couple tools, a little dash of the good stuff. Black to black, some cherry. What's this here? Drive belt clean. That's traction. That's the old traction right there. So you want to do a dig, that's the good stuff, right? So I spray that on. That's the sticky. It's funny I had that in there, eh? But yeah, I'm just gonna shut this down, and then we're gonna top this up with some windshield because the light's on for right now. So since we got it, we might as well use it, right? Let's do a little dash. So yeah, this is my Duramax 05 LLY EFI Live. It's got the dirty hooker diesel, so the DHD Y-bridge kit, and 3-inch pipes, you guys can see, and then just LBZ mouthpiece with the S&B filter. But yeah, basic bolt-ons, just the fuel system's been there, all upgraded. Still stock injectors, but besides that, everything else is done. So my buddy Jamie is actually coming home from out west, and I think he might need his turbo changed. He bought a brand new Reman Garrett turbo, so if he makes it home with hauling all his stuff, hopefully he makes it. But if he does, that'll be on the channel too. I'll show you guys how to change the turbo out. Take the exhaust off back there, the 2 side pipes. So he actually just upgraded all his exhaust manifolds and up pipes, so the job's gonna be real clean anyways. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to change that out and get it off the pedestal, and we'll go from there. So yeah, you guys make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.